Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F14 5G smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first use the original USB cable of your mobile. Now connect this cable to your laptop, connect it to your laptop, and now connect this Type-C cable to your mobile. As you can see, it is successfully connected. Now after it, to power it off, just press and hold the volume up, down and power key together for a few seconds like this. Just press and hold it. And now release and press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds like this. And release. As you can see, it will send you in Android recovery. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset. You can see wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Now here go to factory data reset and confirm. So you can see, okay, so you can see data wipe complete. Now select reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when asked for password, tap on skip and use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F14 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.